Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle, and today you're going to learn about OptimizePress and what comes with it. OptimizeMember is what we're going to learn about today. Comes with OptimizePress, and you should really take advantage of everything that OptimizePress has to offer. It's only $97 one time, and it offers you so much. You don't need to do HTML. You just click a few buttons and you add whatever you want onto your website. It's that easy. So about OptimizeMember, you can define membership levels and packages for the visitors of your website. This is if you were going to create a membership website, which we're not going to learn about. I do not have a membership website. I point everybody to Udemy, and we discussed earlier why you should do that. But right now, when people sign up for a free membership on your website, which they will, so the most important thing that you want to do is you want to click the Define Mailing List, Autoresponder, Configurations. The most important thing that you want to do is Define Mailing List. Click on that, and every time a customer signs up for the free subscribers, you want them to sign up for your email list. So click on Aweber. So the first thing that you need to do is you want to configure Aweber as your email list. And you can access that by clicking the OptimizePress tab from your WordPress dashboard. Click on the Email Marketing Services tab. Click on Aweber. And you'll connect it by signing in with your login information. And it's that simple. Once you've done that, click on the OptimizeMember tab again. And underneath, click General Options. Click on the Define Mailing List. Click Aweber as your list provider and the specific list that you want users to sign up for. I would not recommend having a general email list. I'd recommend having a specific niche email list. It just makes it easier. Instead of you marketing two different products, you're just marketing one sort of product. So in the beginning, I had a general email list where I was marketing both my e-commerce and my investing information to visitors who signed up for the email list. This didn't work out as well. So now I separated it from my e-commerce training and investing training. Most people who come to my website want e-commerce trading. And the smartest thing that I've learned to do is to separate it even by website. So I should take off all the investing information from lowcosthustle.com and create a different website. These are the things that I'm still learning. I'm still learning just like you are. This is just a beginner's course for people who have no idea and have never created a WordPress website before. And watching this course is saving you so much time. You are smart enough to figure it out. You'd make mistakes along the way. At least I know I did. So now you have the step-by-step process and the specific tools that I used in order to make a great website such as lowcosthustle.com. So thank you so much for listening. This has been a lecture about OptimizeMember. This has been Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle. You have a great day.